Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Tradovate to Tradingview. Now, the first thing I would like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and hit the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to connect Tradovate to Tradingview. So we're going to check if it's part of the list of brokers that Tradingview has. So first off, instead of just going to brokers, I'm just going to open up a chart so you can check in the market, search in the market from here and open any market. I already have my Tesla market open. So I'm here. So I want to connect Tradovate to Tradingview. And how do I do that? So over here, because I've already connected paper trading, I'm just going to click on this paper trading here, and I'm going to head over to see the broker list. So if you have not connected any broker to your Tradingview chart, then this is just what you're going to see, the trading panel. So under the trading panel, so just scroll the way down and click on see all brokers. So once you click on see all brokers, you're going to see that a wide array of brokers that Tradingview supports are going to be displayed in one space. So here we're just going to have to search easy until we find Tradovate or Tradovate, and this is Tradovate. So go ahead and click on the Tradovate option there, and now you have this. So you do want to trade live with Tradovate on Tradingview, or do you want to do a demo trade? If you want to trade live, just head over and input your Tradovate username, your password, and click on connect. If you want to do the demo, you can just click on the demo and enter your Tradovate username, your password, and click on connect. You'll see that you will be successfully connected. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.